Hi, I'm Carlin Ruther, People Operations Lead at GreenLancer. I came here after almost 10 years in manufacturing and human resources and a year off after my son was born. I wasn't just looking for another job, I was looking for a place that would let me show up fully professionally and as a mom. GreenLancer was founded to advance the deployment of renewable energy. And when I learned about their mission and their people-first culture, I knew that this was the team I wanted to be a part of. I was really ready to get back to work, but I needed flexibility to do it as well. Right after I started, my son began daycare and spent his entire first winter sick, as it goes. So between lingering fevers and daycare policies and surgery for ear tubes, I needed a lot of flexibility, and GreenLancer's PTO and flexible schedule made it possible. And leadership never once made me feel guilty for using it. That's when I knew that I had made the right call. And it's not just my experience. Right now we have a team member that's caring for a parent. Our colleagues here at GreenLancer stepped up to help her balance work and care. There's a real genuine understanding at GreenLancer that life happens and that supporting people through it makes everyone better. Leadership puts a real effort into making connections happen across a hybrid team, and you can feel it in how the teams actually work together. Most teams connect regularly to make progress and focus on building relationships, whether that's virtually or in office. When you know your team, you want to show up for them. That kind of collaboration is what drives the work forward, and at GreenLancer, that work is helping move clean energy deployment across the country. While we've been a hybrid team headquartered in Detroit, we've had team members work remotely from South America, Japan, and more, showing that the flexibility goes way beyond just working from home. So if you're as passionate about changing the future of energy as we are, and you want a workplace that genuinely values your time and what you bring to the table, we'd love to have you. We're hiring, so join us in building what's next.